Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the Online Islamic Institute playlist.
Here are amazing teachers who teach us in a way that is easy to understand. Here every single topic is taught with great depth, like the Quran with tajweeds, Seerat, Urdu, Islami malumat, aqaid, etc.
मैंने ऑनलाइन इस्लामिक इंस्टीट्यूट 7 महीने पहले ज्वाइन किया है। उस टाइम मुझे दीन के बारे में कुछ नॉलेज नहीं थी। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अब मुझे दीन के बारे में बहुत नॉलेज है।
Our teachers are very polite and knowledgeable. Our teachers are passionate about sharing their knowledge and expertise to nurture the next generation of Muslim leaders and scholars.
We also do lots of cool activities during Ramadan, and storytelling day is my favorite.
Interested in learning about Islam and making new friends? Join us. It's an amazing experience with Online
Islamic Institute.
Join our community of students from around the world and start your journey with the Online Islamic Institute today.